Day 19 from zero to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge. And today we'll be talking about how to add a background to a particular element in your WordPress website. Yesterday we talked about how you can add an image as a background overlay to a particular section of your WordPress website. But today we'll be talking about how you can add a background, either image color or gradient color, to a particular element. So what you need to be mindful of, or the only difference between today and yesterday, is that yesterday we talked about the whole section, but today we'll be talking about a particular element in a particular section. So for example, this is a whole section. This right here is a whole section, but this is an element in a section. Do you understand? So the difference is this is a whole section, but this is an element in a section. So if you want to add a background to this particular element, probably maybe you want to give it a different look from the background. You want people to notice that particular element, so you want to give it like a different look or a different background to the particular to the background of the whole section. So all you have to do is to come here and click on this rectangle box, click on it, and then the styling dashboard will open up. So go to style and then come to background. So from here it is as we did it yesterday. From here you can easily do it like we did it yesterday from here. So the important thing is that make sure you come to the particular element you want to add the background to, then don't click on this, the edit heading, don't click on it. You can only add a background to the whole element, not an item in the element. Do you understand? So because this is a container, all right, so you can add a background uh to an item in a container. You can only add a background to the whole container. All right, so if you want to add, probably maybe you want to add a background to only the header, you have to bring the header out of the container, then create a new container for that header. So for example, let's try that. This is what I'm saying. If I want to add a background just to this header alone, let's click on it and see if I can add it. As you can see, there is no way I can add a background to this particular header alone. The only thing I can change is the text color and then the alignment and typography and all of those stuffs. I can add a background to that particular heading. And why is that? Is because it is part of a particular container. The only thing I can do here is I can only add background to that particular container in that section. So if I want to add a background to this particular header, I will have to bring it out. I have to create a container. Let's try it out. So now I bring in a new container here, just above the about us. Now I drag this into the container. Now I can easily change. Let's try it out. Now as you can see, this particular element now has a different background. All right, if I also want to add image, all I have to do is click on the image box, click on the image box here and select the image I want to add to it. Do you understand now? So whenever you want to add an image to a particular element or container in a section, you have to work on the whole container of that element. You can't just add a background to an item in a container. You have to add the background to the whole container. The only thing you can do is to bring out that container, is to bring out that item, then create a new container for that item. Do you understand? So it is as easy as that. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, please drop it at the comment section. And if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.